Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 5 exponent 2x plus 1 equals 26 times 5 exponent x minus 1. So let's begin. So I want us to rewrite the term 5 to the power x minus 1. So I'll use this rule to rewrite it, right? So the rule says that a to the power x plus y equals a to the power x times a to the power y. So using that rule, 5 to the power x minus 1 becomes 5 to the power x times 5 to the power minus 1, which is the same as 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 1, or divided by 5 simply. And the next thing we'll do is to also apply this rule to the first term, right? The first term, we are going to use a rule that says a to the power x times y equals a to the power x times a to the power y, and also can be written as a to the power y all to the power x, right? So 5 to the power 2x can be written as 5 to the power x all squared. So our equation now looks like 5 to the power x all squared plus 1 equals 26 times 5 to the power x over 5. At this point, we can replace 5 to the power x to a variable. So our equation now looks like this. U to the power x plus 1 equals 26u over 5. Now you can multiply through by u and then bring everything to the left hand side, and you get 5u squared minus 26u plus 5 equals 0. Now you can factorize this quadratic, get 5u minus 1 in one bracket and u minus 5 in another bracket, and the solutions are u equals 1 over 5 or 5. So now we can replace u with 5 to the power x. But before we continue, make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. So if u equals 5 to the power x, then 5 to the power x equals 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is the same as 5 exponents negative 1. So we have 5 to the power x equals 5 exponents negative 1. And now we know if the bases are the same, we can equate the power. So if a to the power x equals a to the power y, then x equals y. So we have x equals negative 1. And now we have 5 to the power x equals 5, which is the same as 5 to the power 1. So 5 to the power x equals 5 exponents 1. Once again, we can equate the powers because the bases are the same. So the solutions are x equals negative 1 or x equals 1. Thanks for watching. Bye.